Future simple tense is a crucial aspect of sports commentary, as it allows commentators to predict the outcomes of matches and events. By using the future simple tense, commentators can make educated guesses about what will happen in the future and add excitement and suspense to their commentary. In this tutorial, we will explore the use of the future simple tense in sports commentary and provide numerous examples to illustrate its importance. One common way that commentators use the future simple tense is to make predictions about the outcome of a match. For example, a commentator might say, "I predict that the home team will win this game." This use of the future simple tense allows the commentator to add tension and drama to the broadcast, as viewers eagerly await the final result. Another way that the future simple tense is used in sports commentary is to talk about planned or scheduled events. For instance, a commentator might say, "Next week, the defending champions will face off against their rivals in what promises to be an exciting match." By using the future simple tense in this way, the commentator can build anticipation for future events and keep viewers engaged. Additionally, the future simple tense is often used in sports commentary to discuss hypothetical scenarios or possibilities. For example, a commentator might say, "If the star player can score a goal in the final minutes of the game, the underdog team could pull off a stunning upset." By using the future simple tense to discuss these potential outcomes, commentators can keep viewers on the edge of their seats and create added excitement. In conclusion, the future simple tense plays a vital role in sports commentary by allowing commentators to make predictions, discuss scheduled events, and explore hypothetical scenarios. By using the future simple tense in their commentary, commentators can add drama and excitement to sports broadcasts and keep viewers engaged throughout the game.